Hello everyone, my name is Eunike. I'm from University Borneo of Tarakan. This learning video is my final project for KMMI micro content. And in this video, I will explain material about grammar, especially about present tense. Okay, let's see the following explanation. Grammar is the system of a language. People sometimes describe grammar as the rules of a language, but in fact, no language has rules. If I use the word rules, we suggest the somebody create the rule first and then spoke the language, like a new game. But languages did not start like that. Languages started by people making sounds which is evolved into words, phrases, and sentences. No commonly spoken language is fixed. All languages change over time. What we call grammar is simply a reflection of a language at a particular time. Tenses. First, we are talking about tenses. Tenses are verbs used to express an action and the time that the action was performed or happens. That is the time that verb was executed. If something happened today, the verb to be used will be different from the verb to be used if something happened yesterday or will happen tomorrow. There are types of sentence. First is present tense, past tense, past participle, and future tense. And today we're going to talk about present tense. Simple present tense is the tense used to express an action that happens often. For example, James goes to school every day. And James usually goes to school every day. Other words that are associated with simple present tense are often, occasionally, frequently, every day, every time, every month, or every week, and seldom, and etc. When you see any one of those words in a sentence, that means or implies that the sentence is a simple present tense. And the second one is present continuous tense. This is the type of the tense that is used to express ongoing action. Present tense is used to express something that is still happening at a moment of speaking. For example, what are you doing? You are reading, right? And you are still doing it. And you will still continue to read until you feel like to stop or by an external force. What you are doing is present and the action is still continuing. So hence, it is called present continuous tense. Note, in English language, continuous terms is also known as the gerund, that is ing. Other words associated with present continuous tense are at the moment and at present and etc. Next material is present perfect tense. It is used to express a past action or till present action. It is present perfect action is used to express an action that has been happening from the past till the present. For example, what you have been doing since morning? You have been reading since morning till now. Assuming you have been online since about an hour ago, even if it 1 minute ago, and you have been reading from then till now. That means from the past till now. Other words associated with present perfect tense are not yet, since, just now, already, and etc. And the last one is present continuous perfect tense. Present perfect continuous tense is used to express an action that has been happening in a long time in the past and still continues till present and didn't stop at the present but also continues. For example, assuming you have been reading for like almost a week now and you are still reading and you will still continues to be reading. That's mean you have been reading from the past till present and you will still continues to be reading. Other words associated with present perfect continuous tense are for and since and etc. Simple present tense is used to express general fact and trust, habit or habitual action or events that occur at that time. Present tense. Simple present tense is most often used in English because it is used to express daily activities. Times general signals of simple present tense. Always is selalu, every is setiap, often is sering, usually is biasanya, seldom is jarang, rarely is jarang-jarang. Okay, I think that's all explanation for me. Thank you.
ESL Library. Simple present. What are verb tenses? Verb tenses show the time that an action takes place. The simple present is a verb tense. We use the simple present tense for repeated actions. Repeated actions happen over and over again. For example, I eat breakfast every day. I read in bed every night. I always study after school. Simple present verbs have two forms. Which form do we use? That depends on the subject of the sentence. Subjects can be pronouns. Subjects can also be nouns. We use a base verb when the subject pronoun is I, you, we, or they. I walk to school every day. You always drink coffee. We sometimes eat dessert. They study every night. We use verb plus s when the subject pronoun is he, she, or it. He reads the newspaper on the weekend. She takes the bus to work in the morning. It sleeps on the couch every day. We use a base verb when the subject noun is plural. The students take the bus to school. My parents drink coffee every morning. We use verb plus s when the subject noun is singular. The student walks to school every day. My dog always sleeps on my bed. We also use verb plus s when the subject noun is non-count. Snow falls from the sky in winter. My hair grows quickly. Look at the picture and say or write a simple present sentence. For example, she drinks coffee every day. Now you try. Thanks for watching.